Hey guys, this is Virendra Moore from Unique Concept Classes. I am giving you summary of the chapter CBSE English Class 12 Vistas. Chapter number 5, Should Wizard Hit Mummy? This is chapter written by John Optic. This chapter is written by John Optic. He is telling the story of her daughter and son, father, named Jake and Joe. Jake, who is the father of Joe. So day by day, this is story is told by Jake to his daughter Joe. Continuously, Jake was telling the story to his daughter for 2 years, and day by day he was telling the story, and his daughter used to sleep, and she was interested to listen the story. 2 years passed now. Now Jake do not have any plot of the story in his mind, so he made a common word like Roger. That word was common. With the help of Roger, he made the various kinds of name of that, like the Roger fish, Roger chimpak, Roger squirrel. So like this, he also made a particular title and used to make listen to his daughter Joe. One day, the story is started. One day, now in this chapter, there is a suitable title that is taken by Jake for his daughter. The title is that Roger Skunk. So Roger Skunk is like a such type of American animal that is looking like a squirrel. Somewhere you have found it in the LKG UKG first book like a squirrel. That is Roger Skunk. And the smell of that Roger skunk is very bad. So the story is narrated by Jake to his daughter Joe. Jake told that there is a wise owl and a wizard. Wizard, like a magician. They kept telling that there was a Roger skunk in the American forest, and where he was living, the smell of that Roger skunk was very bad smell. Because of that, whenever he used to go anywhere, no one animal, not any single animal liked to that Roger skunk. No one liked to play with him. So one day, the Roger skunk decided to go to the wise owl. So Joe asked to his father, why? Then what happened? Roger skunk did not go to wise owl? He told, yes. Roger skunk went to wise owl, and he was sitting on a branch of a tree and told all the story of him. Roger skunk narrated his story to a wise owl and told that, cause of like this bad smell of my nose, no animals like to play with me. Everyone also hated me. Everyone tried to be far away from me. So listening this, the wise owl replied to Roger skunk, you need to go and meet to a wizard. He told the address of wizard. He was living on a mountain near the low hill, and he gave the address to the wizard that is very old man. He is white beard, very long white beard, bearing cone hat on his head. Now Roger skunk moved and went toward the home of wizard. When he went there, he found that there was a very old man. He was moving with the stick, with the help of his stick. His beard was very long and white beard, and he wore white cone cap. He went there and narrated his story to the wizard, and wizard listened the story of the Roger skunk. When he listened, he asked to Roger skunk 7 annas, 7 pennies. At the time, Roger skunk had only 4 pennies. So Roger Skunk said, gave 4 pennies to wizard, but he said, now wizard went to Roger Skunk into a well like Kuwa, and when he went inside there, he found 3 pennies. He came and he was very happy and handed over 3 pennies to the wizard, and now wizard gave the smell up to the Roger Skunk, a rose smell. That was very nice smell. Roger Skunk got very happy finding out like such type of smell. When he went and passing toward the forest, there he found many animals. Many animals came to him and they met him and they played with Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk was very happy, very excited on that time when found that every animals are meeting with him and they are playing with him. So he went his home and narrated this story to his mother. When his mother heard this story that his smell is getting changed into the rose smell, and he said that no, this is bad smell. Narrators, Roger Skunk's mother said, this is bad smell because we are animal, Roger family belong, there must be bad smell. So why like this? He told that who changed you in like this? He told there was a wizard. Now Roger Skunk's mother took an umbrella in her hand and come toward with her son Roger Skunk near or closer to the wizard. When she came to near closer to the wizard, and she kicked wizard with the umbrella. Now wizard got angry. He tempered and he exchanged to him his bike smell as he was earlier. Now no one animals were playing with him. He was too worried. So when she heard this, when Joe heard this story to her father Joe, Jack, she asked that what happened then? Why didn't wizard must be hit to Roger Skunk mummy? He asked that this end is not good. He said that why wizard did not punish or hit to Roger Skunk mummy? If like this plot will be as, then it was too good. So Joe said to her father, Jack, narrator told us this in this story that how elders tried to convince the youngest by their statement, but that statement is not good. They have to write to suggest them to elders, to tell them what is right and what is wrong. So student, this is the story about should wizard hit mummy. I hope you will like this and you will get it well. Thank you and have a nice day.